How war stories ignite patriotism and power of new India. Some movies are not just movies, they are emotions. For me, Border is not just a Bollywood war film, it is memory, it is silence before a battle, it is the letters written with hope, it is the sound of boots, the weight of uniforms, and the strength of families who wait. I come from an army background. My father served in the Indian Army and was part of the India-Pakistan War of 1971. A war that didn't just change borders on maps but shaped generation of families like mine. So when I watch a war film, I don't just watch a story. I relive a legacy. War-based movies like Border, LOC, Uri, Sher or Lakshya do something very special. They don't glorify violence. They humanize sacrifice. They show young men missing home, soldiers joking and singing before danger, officers leading with courage, some angle of love and romance portraying even if you are a soldier, you still hold a big heart of compassion, families praying in silence. For the younger generation, these films become their first introduction to patriotism. Not as a slogan, but as a feeling. Patriotism is not taught only in textbooks. It is felt through stories, visuals, music, and emotions. And cinema has the power. Today's youth lives in a fast digital global world. But when they watch these movies, something does stir. A question arises, what would I do if my country needed me? That spark matters. Not every young person will join the army, but every young person can feel responsible for the nation. War films create respect for uniform, gratitude for freedom, awareness of sacrifice, pride in being Indian. And that pride is the foundation of national strength. At this moment, I want to make this deeply personal. To all those young boys and girls, children of my friends who chose to serve the country, some of you wear olive green, some of you wear white, some of you stand at icy borders, some of you guard our skies and the seas. You didn't choose an easy life. You chose a meaningful one. Your courage is not just yours. It belongs to your parents, your families, and to this nation. You remind us that patriotism is not outdated. It is alive, breathing, and standing guard, while the rest of us sleep peacefully. Thank you for choosing services over comfort. But patriotism today has many uniforms. Not everyone will fight with a rifle. Some will fight with ideas, some with innovation, some with enterprises that build national power. India today is witnessing a powerful revolution. Defense manufacturing, space technology, deep tech startups, cyber securities, AIs, drones, semiconductors, indigenous innovation. Power is no longer just about soldiers at the border. Power is about self-reliance, capability, and confidence. This is where defense and entrepreneurship meets. A strong nation needs strong armed forces, strong industries, strong entrepreneurs. Every startup that builds indigenous technology, defense-grade solutions, supply chain for strategic sectors, innovation that reduces dependency is also serving the nation. Entrepreneurship is nation building in action. When young build companies that strengthen India's economy, technology, and global standing, they are contributing to national security in their own way. Because let's remember, power is everything. Economic power, the technological power, strategic power, moral power. And India is rising on all four fronts. To the young generation watching this, if you are inspired by movies like Border, Uri, or Dhurandhar, if movies like Shersha move you to tears, if the national anthem still gives you goosebumps, know this: you don't need to wear a uniform to love your country, but whatever you do, do it with integrity, excellence, and purpose. Be a soldier of innovation, ethics, entrepreneurship, national pride, because a powerful India needs builders as much as protectors. War films remind us of who we are. Entrepreneurship decides where are we going. From the battlefield of 1971 to the boardrooms and startup garages of today, India's story is one of courage, resilience, and rising power. And every generation has a role to play. This is Manjula Subhash, taking you from border to Bharat on Creative Bharat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment if you are a Fauji kid like me and can relate to my emotions. Jai Hind.